your drink?
It's like house lemonade with cooler. Jailhouse style, baby.
Jail. Wait, explain the origin. Of
Yeah, explain the lore behind this.
So
He's scared. Hello, sir. You took too many lemons.
I'm explaining.
Explain the lore.
It's a vegetarian vegan restaurant. And both of which we have. If you have a cheese fry, it's not
I'm explaining that.
Yeah, I was just looking at like what is the difference in the cheese?
I'm explaining
the
that.
difference is the French cheese curds and
I'm
then
not
gravy.
kidding.
A lot of them do.
gravy as well.
Adam, is it called Traphousetutorialz because of the trap? Or?
Yeah, what's the story behind the name here? This
Yeah, we don't need to-
Traphousetutorialz drink.
What?
What's the story behind this? What's
Okay, so we're gonna leave these two lemons
Traphousetutorialz?
to
Just asking questions. doesn't
juice
want-
up in here until we're ready for them. Cane extract. Cane extract.
That was enough too.
Cane extract. Cane extract. Should we pour this whole oat in?
Yeah.
Yup.
Yeah.
Calories.
You see, I actually learned this in a video. If you swirl it hella fast, the water actually does not exceed the cup's capacity. Creamer.
Creamer.
That sounds like DJ Khaled. Creamer. I call it creamer.
I think DJ Khaled just smoked too much weed when he was a kid and then just like got retarded. Let there be some in there for me. Creamer. One. This creams this shit up, actually.
Adam, there's unsqueezed lemons in there.
No, I know. I'm just letting them.
He's letting them juice up, bro.
You letting them marinate?
You're gonna have to take them out, Adam.
No, this is actually a really good drink. In the 90s.
The 90s?
Yeah.
Yeah, explain why. Explain why it's called that.
Shut your ass
In the
up,
90s,
bro. Let
he
me
was
just
in-
make my drink. Okay?
Oh god, let
Nobody
him.
wants to know. No, it's called Traphousetutorialz.
See, it does not exceed the cup's capacity. Oh, ice fell out. That's not water. It basically is, but don't tell anyone. Unless you're eating cheese.
This is just jalapeno and cheese left.
You want some? I left some for you.
Okay.
He left you the tiniest speck of
Calorie sugar? Or calories? It's
Calorie sugar.
Okay. There's no calories. This is actually good. Before a fight, Mike Tyson used to do this. Okay, I'm gonna get some more calorie sweetener and creamer.
Look at the pilots.
Creamer with lemonade cannot be a good combination, bro.
Creamer.
Adam, are you a creamer?
Dude, what the fuck did you leave for? Straight jalapeno.
Scraps, bro.
Let's go.
Motherfucker, you want a scrap right now?
No. I love you all opinions.
Okay. Let's just finish the drink real quick. How am I gonna squeeze this lemon?
Yes,
Bro, I should start uploading these long ass videos to YouTube, just like Adam tutorials, Traphousetutorialz tutorials.
Bro, don't get that paper in there.
Yeah, don't get the.
No, it's chilling, bro. This is how you make it. In the 90s. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh.
Look at that.
In the 90s or?
In the 90s or not?
Let me try something. Tastes like mom's homemade Trapionka. If they don't kick us out the restaurant.
What is this movie? Why did you put paper in there?
There's no paper in the drink. Spin that. You see,
Let those juice up.
Are those still juicy?
3 packs of creamers. Dude, this is gonna get so creamed.
Are you creamy for this? Just like you creamy.
Okay, actually, you're supposed to take this in a Ziploc bag and beat it up, but I don't think any of us have a Ziploc bag, so. Unless, Ellis, you're hiding something from us, bro?
I do not have a Ziploc bag.
Yeah, I'm trusting you.
Look how much sugar goes down. I mean, creamer goes down the side.
You're gonna need to stir that shit up,
Look how
bro.
much is at the bottom. Zoom in on the bottom.
Bro, it is just solidified down there.
There's not that much, it's just
Trapionka. Yes, it's hit 5 minutes. I'm gonna upload it to YouTube.
5
Trapionka
minutes?
tutorial.
Did it take over 5 minutes?
Yes, you need to finish this tutorial, man.
That's kind of a long time for Trapionka.
Did he go over-
Wrap this tutorial up, man.
The prisoners are waiting. Who the fuck do I think?
Adam.
I think I'm a fucking simp, bro. I'm giving this to me.
Simp.
Okay, some calorie sweetener.
Adam, go over the
Let's see it.
history.
Dude, shut your ass up, bro. Go
Calorie
over the history.
sweetener.
Go over the history.
The viewers want to.
Okay, so now we're gonna take the lemons out and squeeze them.
Have they been juiced or?
They've been juiced or not?
They have been
Can I
juiced.
get more from this?
Yes. We should.
Will you tell us the history?
Yeah.
Good, how you doing?
Maybe I'll get a burger or something. Is that boy juice?
The last lemon, we're gonna prong it. Ready? Oh shit.
That's so bad.
Okay, who wants to try it?
The drink or the lemon?
The drink. Are you a retard, Ellis? Oh yeah, let's try the lemon.
Well, you were like, let's get this out of here. Like, who wants to try it?
You gotta juice it and stir it.
You guys gonna die lead? I put that on my kids.
What?
This is the best drink ever.
We're gonna
I put it
die
on my
that shit.
kids.
You gotta go, they'll be.
Damn, look at the fucking.
Yeah, dude, you gotta get this shit at the bottom.
There's seeds. Stir it more. Wait for the lemon seeds.
We're actually gonna throw this all away.
Couple
This is why
lemon
I've been
seeds.
putting it on. If you didn't know, FYI, I've been
let's see you
putting
take a
this
sip.
on the bitch.
On the bench.
Let's see you take a sip, Adam.
I'm all excited.
This is hype. This is hype.
Alright, finally.
Nice refresque of Trapionka.
I saw straight sugar. How's that taste? How's that Trapionka? Let me try. So sweet. It's so sweet.
Oh, that's